Dad, look back.
Ayan na po, ayan na po.
Turtle.
The turtle.
Turtle.
Oh, very cute.
Are they babies?
Yeah, it's like a baby.
Turtle.
Baby turtle.
Turtle. Turtle and big fish. And duck right behind.
Very cute. There's a lot of fish, bro. Ayun, oh, ang laking turtle, bro.
Huh?
Ayun, ang laking turtle, oh. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, nagsisim yung turtle, oh.
Big turtle.
Yeah, nag-float din siya. Ayan na, oh. Very close. Ang cute mag-swim ng turtle, bro. Ayan na, lumalapit na sa ibo. Ayan na,
Oh, that's a red foot!
No, it's not.
I just saw red on it.
Red, pero hindi siya red. Red foot turtle, siguro. But tortoise, not.
Tortoise.
It's not a
What is
turtle.
tortoise? Why'd you say tortoise like that?
Yeah, this is a turtle.
Turtle.
Ayan, bro.
There's more turtles over there.
Lumitingin siya dito, bro.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that a blue dragonfly?